I believe everyone is eager to know why the machining prices are higher than expected. To figure out the answer, we must understand what are the factors that affect CNC machining cost. A lot of factors can affect the final machining cost. I'm going to mention some key ones. Materials. The choice of material to be used for the machine components influences cost in two ways: raw material cost and material machability cost. Some materials are more expensive as a raw material than others, while others are more difficult to fabricate than others. The lower the material machability, the more expensive it is. Quantity of parts. I believe it is easy for everyone to understand. The more quantity is, the lower unit price will be. Geometry of parts. This refers to the dimensions of a part. The larger the part is, the more material it will require to be manufactured, hence the more expensive it will be. Complex and very detailed parts also increase costs significantly because more time will be used to produce very detailed items. Manufacturing equipment. Modern machining and manufacturing equipment vary and are extremely expensive. It is quite essential to know if a part can be completed using one multiple-axis machine or will require multiple machines. In WayKen, we have 3, 4, and 5-axis machines. Surface finishing. CNC machining produces parts that are suitable to be used as machined. However, certain applications require parts to go through post-processing operations such as heat treatment, anodizing, paint coat, sandblasting, and polishing. All these increases the prices of a part.
Now we can think about how to reduce the cost of CNC machining. I think all of you already have ideas to do so. At WayKen, our experienced engineers will analyze every design from the customers and provide you with professional DFM, which may help you improve the manufacturability and lower the costs. Hope you like our videos, and please Google us. You may find more information about WayKen from our website. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.